Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple crochet flower that will look uh, beautiful and easy as well. For that I am going to use medium yarn. The hook size is 3.5 mm, and first of all we will make chain 6 and slip stitch in the first chain to end up the round or to join the two sides. Then we will make chain 4, then 4 triple crochet in this circle or chain space. This is basically a 5 petal flower and very simple and easy to make. After making 4 triple crochet, we will make chain 4 and we'll make slip stitch in the circle or the ring. Then we will make chain 4 again and 4 triple crochet in the circle. Basically we have to repeat the same procedure 5 times to make 5 petals, and this is very simple and easy procedure to make a flower. You can use this flower in any of your project, dresses or bed sheets or anything you want to make, like blankets. And this is very simple and easy, and it is for beginners as well. And I hope you will like my video. Please do share and subscribe my channel and share it with your loved ones who want to learn the crochet as well. There are so many videos for the beginners on my channel. For more videos, please stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you so much.